buggy trails, past the fields and hidden tales. Buggies race through dirt and sand, discovering this amazing land. With Go Vacation, feel the thrill through the hills with Xtreme Buggy. Adventure calls, let's take a ride in the heart of the Dominican side. Banana trees, the breeze so sweet, villages where locals greet. The Caribbean shines so bright, buggies racing, pure delight. With Go Vacation, feel the thrill through the hills with Xtreme Buggy. Adventure calls, let's take a ride in the heart of the Dominican side. Banana trees, the breeze so sweet, villages where locals greet. The Caribbean shines so bright, buggies racing, pure delight. With Go Vacation, feel the thrill through the hills with Xtreme Buggy. Adventure calls, let's take a ride in the heart of the Dominican side. Coffee in hand, we take a break, then to the beach, it's all at stake. An epic day, full of cheer, extreme adventure, bringing us near. Oh, with Go Vacation, feel the thrill through the hills with Xtreme Buggy. Adventure calls, let's take a ride in the heart of the Dominican side. The sun sets low, but we're alive. Xtreme Buggy, what a drive. Dominican beauty, wild and free.